Sometimes all you really need is small break from work and pressure and daily life. So we are checking in now. So this time I had decided to visit the Sand Kholak in Thailand. The moment I arrived, the whole vibes felt peaceful and relaxing. Beautiful resort, fresh air, palm trees everywhere, and the sound of the ocean in the background was amazing. The property is huge and honestly one of the nicest place I have ever visited in Phuket. The pool, the beach access and the overall atmosphere make these places perfect if you just want to slow down and relax. So हम लोग आ गए Sand Khawlak and this is an amazing resort. I'll show you just I will turn my camera so you can just have a look. This is a splendid view.
ये तो ट्रेलर है।
Yeah, correct. This is the trailer. So I will go to show you the entire the room types, then the lawn, the beach, everything I'm going to show you.
चलो भाई अभी हम चल रहे हैं रूम के लिए। यस सऊदी का कितने लोग सिंसियर रहते हैं यहाँ पर, देख सकते हो आप कितनी रिस्पेक्ट से ये लोग बात करते हैं। और अभी ये बंदा हमको बेल बॉय है, तो ये अभी हमको रूम के लिए लेके जा रहा है। चलो फिर
Thank you so much. So this is the room. Hey, coming.
चलो
Hi chef, nice to meet you man. Great to see you.
चलो रोल भाई, हम आपको एक चीज़ पूछना चाहते हैं। आप द सैंड खौलाक में आए हो आज, तो आप हमको बताओ कि आप जिस एक दिन के लिए स्टे के लिए, तो आपको इस रूम के बारे में आपको बताना है।
So I tell you, I had stayed in the different hotel as well. So this hotel is amazing, and you see, we'll start from here. The washroom, which you look, I is light. I'm not sure. I think it's here.
So
this have this small washroom here. I don't know where it is. Yeah.
पर बाथ टब नहीं है।
Inside. Yeah, we don't have bathtub here. This is second category. This is a premium room, which is they have feeder.
ये देख सकते हैं।
The good part is the hotels not have this iron board, but every rooms have the iron board. Since it's a rainy season, they have kept this umbrella as well. And they have this tiny and the small rack as well. This is a safe.
Save your money।
Yeah. So if anything, this is the passport, jewelry, if we have, we can keep it over there. The extension will help you to connect with our internal team member. We have registered for the touring bed. They have given the twin bed, the amazing mirror. We have here the small sofa also. Now I'll show you this amazing view.
ओहो, next level।
Weather today, say it's a rainy season again.
It's not a rainy, it's like the romantic weather।
Yeah, weather is good.
भाई मतलब next level है भाई।
Look at that, all the rooms and the
क्या
good
जब
part
ये देख
of
सकते हो आप।
that rooms, every rooms have balcony.
हाँ, ये बात है जो हर किसी होटल में नहीं मिलता है।
No. The downstairs, which is this one, have the 2-bedroom villa.
नेचुरल बाय नेचर।
Every places. Okay.
Thank you।
Yeah, so we have Jack Mister. I don't drink. I bought for them. This Jack
हम भी नहीं
Mister.
करते, हम भी नहीं करते ड्रिंक।
And this is Jacob Cricks. And this is Australian wine, the white wine. You will love it, man.
देख सकते हो भाई। तो कौन है आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से, कौन करा रहा है? एक ही नाम है, पीने की पार्टी होगी, अब खाने की पार्टी आने वाले स्पॉन्सर रात को।
We were staying there, then now we are going to the pool. This is the pool area. Let's see, nice. So they have multi pool. So they have a very nice pool, and you can see I'll go upstairs from here, and then I'll just show you. I think this is no entry, cannot go. That's like my village. They have multiple kinds of river. amazing, man. Hey. One thing I really like about this resort was how calm everything felt. No rush, no noise, just a peaceful environment.
एक नंबर।
So मैं आ गया हूँ पूल के साइड में and you can see this is have a very big pool and I'm enjoying right now one mocktail which is blue sky under the sky. Yeah, cheers. I'm not sure what is this. For chemical treatment. It seems like it's a boiling water. So यहाँ पे बारिश होना शुरू हो गई है। आप देख सकते हो काले घनघोर बादल। शॉकिंग चीज़ दिखाता हूँ, वो बारिश नहीं थी, मैं इसके अंदर था। I will show you something which is I really like in this resort, which is fish feeding. It'll start from 8:30 to 1600 hours, and this all which you're seeing the rooms, and there's an amazing small boat is also there. So somebody who wants to do the boating in the river, an amazing part of this resort, I love this. Just have a look. My God. It's amazing, and the river side, the rooms which you're seeing. Good part again, I'll tell you, every rooms have balcony and the amazing view. Such a great resort, man. Such a great. This is the garden area, and look at how they had planted this tree. The both side one plant, and the middle is a pathway which is towards the beach area. So that's the room, and this is the another pool area where you can see everybody's enjoying here. And the good part again is a restaurant which is located in front of the beach. The ocean which you're seeing, this is Andaman Nicobar, and you know this is start raining. You can see the water, it's start raining now. You can see there it's a very heavy rain, and that's the sea. You can see that place is really windy, and this wind is so heavy here right now, and that's why they had put the red flag so nobody can enter the beach. I have just been to that temperature control pool area. That was really good, and this is the sunbed which you can see. Somebody needs to have. The good part, I really like this resort, which is the chest we have in the middle of the garden. You can see all the rooms, every room is located around the resort, but the chest is middle of the garden. Really love it, man. The king is always looking.
So ये बहुत ही भारी बारिश हो रही थी, तो बारिश होने के बाद मैंने ली है गर्म सी शावर, हॉट शावर, एंड देन आ गया फिर मैं बालकनी में. So you can see the amazing hotels. ये
अभी मैं अब जा रहा हूँ सोने के लिए. मैं बहुत ही थक चुका हूँ. बाहर बारिश हो रही थी
एंड सो अब मैं सो जाता हूँ। सो हमने किया कुछ ऑर्डर पिज़्ज़ा। दिस पिज़्ज़ा इज ब्रोकली टूना एंड मशरूम। सो गुड मॉर्निंग, सुबह हो चुकी है और कैन सी हमने कर दी ये रूम की हालत। सो अभी हाउसकीपिंग टीम आएगी एंड दे विल क्लियर द रूम। और हमने बनाया थोड़ी सी कॉफ़ी। सो मॉर्निंग यहाँ पे जो कॉफ़ी है इट्स कॉफ़ी माटे which is I'm not sure which it's made of the Nestle company. It is written on Thai. आगे से सुबह हमने बनाई है कॉफ़ी और अब हम आपको बाहर के नज़ारे। गुड मॉर्निंग, लवली वेदर। सो हमारा जो ब्रेकफास्ट है वो उधर चल रहा है। सो आई विल गो टू हैव ब्रेकफास्ट। Still raining little bit. I'll show you the yeah, the birds, the two birds which I can see in the morning, and it's a lovely weather, I would say. Still raining little bit, you can see in river. So मैं जा रहा हूँ ब्रेकफास्ट की तरफ। ये है हमारा ब्रेकफास्ट रेस्टोरेंट। The river there is some fish, so they are doing this fish feeding the children, the kids. They are loving it, I think. मैं पहुंच गया हूँ यहाँ पे। So they're having breakfast here. You can see this people is having breakfast here. Yeah, they have kept a very lovely setup, and which is the boat. They have multiple fruits. You can see the papaya, pineapple, the dragon fruit also, the pineapple. The good part, the different kinds of goods. We have the strawberry, mixed fruit, mango, and the plain yogurt. Suba, so we should eat some healthy breakfast. Fruits, which is good. Dragon fruit, I love this fruit, man. This will always give you the vibes in life. Slow. I'll come back to take it. Very important to have in the morning. I love this with cream with the pancake. The pancake also, they have a small pancake, so we'll have this small pancake with the pink. The maple syrup. Yeah, it's a maple syrup is here. So हम लोगों ने ले लिया ब्रेकफास्ट। इतने सारे ब्रेकफास्ट ले लिया। अभी जाके मॉर्निंग मैं और ये हमारे शेफ हैं, शेफ अजय। So we are having breakfast in the very amazing resort with the amazing breakfast, the sand khawlak. You can see the multiple breakfasting, the fruits, the whipped cream, the bread, butter, and the chicken salami. And you can see here the beautiful backdrop. The buildings and all. आ रही। अब लाओ इधर से। मैं कुछ ज़्यादा ही सफ़ेद लग रहा है।
चलो वीडियो बनाओ।
अब हम लोग जा रहे हैं द बीच के साइड पे. कैन सी अरे यार
चलो भाई लोगों, यहाँ पे हो रहा चेस का कंपटीशन. जो बंदा हारेगा वो पूरा रिजॉर्ट का बिल पे करेगा आज. ठीक है, जो हारेगा वो बिल पे करेगा भाई. ठीक है, हाँ ठीक है भाई जी. भाई जी एग्री हो ना? हाँ भाई जी.
So we really enjoyed this resort, which is located in the Khao like we have told you earlier. And the breakfast, the rooms, the seas, the beaches, and the best part, they have the temperature control pool. You can see that pool area, that one which we have the temperature control. Okay, so the people is enjoying here. This is a temperature control area.
Now we are checking out. Just will close the door, and our luggage is going there. So everything is done. Now we are checking out. I got the checkout bill also. It's the chef. Chef. We'll come back again. See you. Bye.
चलो चलो.